In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw money from OKX to bank account. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your OKX and click on the six dots on the top left of your screen. Then click on this P2P trading. Now after that, you just gonna need to make sure to follow the on-screen instructions and click on the USD or any other currency that you want to select. After that, click on the sell option and then click on payment method. After that, you need to make sure to search for the payment method that you want to use. Let's say you just want to transfer it to your bank account, so you just need to search for bank transfer and click on apply option. Then you need to select the coin that you are sending. If you don't have any one of these four coins, you can simply convert, or in other words swap it for the specific coin. After that, you just need to click on the sell option of the trader that is giving you the best rate. You can go with the maximum or the amount that you want to go with. Then you need to click on sell and then you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. Then you need to make sure to enter the following details like your bank account number, your IBN, and bank opening branch. And make sure to go with the smaller amount first of all, like $5 or $10, and once you have received, you can then go for the larger amount. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from OKX to bank account.